Hello everyone, coding decoding question is there. The code for September is given, so we have to find the code for October. So here it is, September code we write down here. S code is 19, E code is 5, P code is how much, 16, T is 20, note down by the comma, indicated by comma, T20, E5, M13, B2, E5 and R is 18. So here it is, if you check the first letter SS code is 19, so if you add 1 plus 9 is 10 and this 10 means 1 plus 0 is 1. So the first letter code note down at the last. So next is 5. E is 5, so here it is 5, E code indicated by 5. Next is P, P is 16, P is 16, 16 means 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6 is how much, 7. So the P, for the P code they are indicated 7. So here it is T20, 20 means 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, so here it is 2. Next E is 5, so E is 5. So M is 13, M is 13, M is 13 is 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 is indicated by 4, M. B is 2, then B is 2, B is 2, E is 5 and the last letter is R, R means 18, 1 plus 8 is 9. So the last letter R come first. So here it is 9. So we have to write down the code for the October. So the October O means how much, 15. Next C is 3, T is 20, O is 15, B is 2, E is 5 and R is 18. R is 18. So 1 plus 8 come at the first means 9, 1 plus 8 comes 9, then 5, then 2, then 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 0 is 2, then 3 and 1 plus 5 is 6. So the 9, 5, 2, 6, 2, 3, 6 is my answer. I think it is clear to everyone. Thank you.